YouTube, how are we all doing? Today we're in the underground bunker and we're doing a Quo style lesson. Rain. This was a request by the Irish Wanderer, so get out your telly or your, you know, and there's two ways we're going to do it. This is the standard tuning. We're in standard tuning here, so there is a little problem. We're going to show the detune one, which is the better version. Shouldn't be smoking when I'm doing a video. Yeah, a few effects there. Anyway, so this is it in standard tuning in A. So it's in A, the song. C, D, and the riff is on your A. If you play it in standard tuning, in your A, fifth fret. So you bounce, it's a weird thing, you bounce, so there's your D chord and there's your C chord, so you're only playing the bottom end of your C chord here, these three, that's 4, 3 and 2 strings, so this is kind of, there's a lot of, ghost notes in there and clicks, you know, this sort of stuff. Right, so that's the riff. You're playing the riff. You're playing, you're barring, for that part you're barring a D, which is the D chord here, so you're barring the 7, and you're putting the right, so that's that. Let me get into the curveball aspect of it all, and that's tuning to an open G. So the tune to an open G, this is what Rick does. I'll show you what how Rick had it done. So this is the way I detune. So we tune the E string, the 6th string here, down to a D. And you get it kind of close there. And then the A string goes down to, no, E string down to D, A string down to G. And then your top string, your E, down to D. So you're in open G now, but then what Rick does is tunes this bottom E up to G. I know it's a bit backwards the way I do it, but so you've got two G's and two G's, and then to confuse you all some more, we get a capo, which every guitar player should have, in my opinion. These make playing guitar interesting, and I like to play this on my acoustic all the time, so if you haven't got one, get one. They're not expensive, and you can pick one up at most guitar places on the internet for cheap, you know. So anyway, and that goes on the 2nd fret. So now instead of open G, we're in open A, which is what the now it's slightly easier to play the song. So if you learn this tuning, so if you're playing on a Stratocaster, it might throw your tuning out. So your acoustic, if you've got a Stratocaster with springs in it, it might throw out your tuning, and that won't help you. So let me just check this tuning on the tuner, make sure we got it in, and I'll come back to you.